Well, hello, my gorgeous creators. Welcome to Just Jerry J with me, Jerry Jarme. I'm a photographer, educator, and creative business coach. And today I want to walk you through a quick tutorial on Shopify. This is how I set up my Shopify store using the themes within Shopify. And we're also going to create a gorgeous product. So let me walk you through how I created my shop, what products I use for my print on demand, and how you could also do it very, very easily. Don't forget to sign up for my newsletter where I will give you loads of tips and tricks on how to build your creative business, going from passion to profit. But in the meantime, join my Facebook group. I will be doing my live chats on there on a Friday, but I generally am just in there chatting to everybody and sharing lots of juicy info. So let's get to it, shall we? Enjoy me for the Shopify tutorial. Hi guys, and welcome to my Shopify BTS. So as you can see, these are the products, or should I say the apps I currently use. So I have digital downloads, which is great for downloading all your ebooks. And I also have it attached to my Facebook, Flowdesk for my newsletters and my thank you notes that go out, Google for analytics, print on demand, Guten, which I've mentioned in my blog, Printful, Shopify emails, which I don't actually currently use. Oh, as you can see, I don't use them. And Simple affiliates, which I haven't also used yet. Okay, so let's go to Guten, my current print on demand hub. So I will show you that now. So this is where I can create really simple products. So at the moment, I'm just currently hosting these products with Guten, but let's say I wanted to create another folded card. So as you can see, this is the one I currently have. These are the mock-ups that I currently have. So, and this is where you can add your profit. So I had like 250. Generally, they say that you should mark up by 3% or 30% or by 3. And these are my designs for the shop. So let's go back to the mock-up. Let's just click back here. Let's create a new product. So let's go, let's see if I need to sync any products right now. Sync product. Yes. So then we would sync this. Let's go back over to this is for that was for Printful, so I don't need to do that. Okay, so let's create a new product. Let's create a new card, but you can do pets. Oh, super cute. Pet mats, wall art. I use QuickTime for this, but you can use Guten as well. Posters. You can create your own posters. Home living. As you can see here, tea towels. I love a tea towel. Aprons, lunch bags, beach towels. Let's create a beach towel. Everyone's going on holiday, so let's create a beach towel. So let's pick this, okay? Front and back, as you can see here. So that tells you what it is. It's a polyphase cotton loop backing. Let's go over to here. Let's press 1 and let's go to our artwork. So I'm going to select the cold, as you can see. Now this is telling you that the image is too low res, so I will need to upload a higher res version. But for this right now, let's go for this one. Let's just press continue. Product type, I'm just going to put product collection. So let's just go to Creative Essentials. So 27.75. So let's just make a profit. and that'll tell you what it goes to there. So say you want to go 550, so 33. So let's just say you made 350 on it, 31, 250 on it. So as you can see, I mean, it's not about it's about having a lot. If you are using, so as you can see from the product, you know, your profit is quite minimal, but if you create your own products and use the digital downloads, you will then make more of a profit because you're not paying for any of the shipping or the creating of that product. So then we'll go to, and that's it, really simple. And then you just go to publish to the store. And I usually will go back and write my own descriptions. So let's go view that in the store now. So Creative Essentials. There it is. Beach towel. I mean, that's a great towel to have on a beach when you're cooking. And there you go. And then you can add it straight to the cart. Go over to cart. And as you can see, it remembers the last things that I put in there. So let's just remove. Yeah, remove. Yeah. And then you can also have a little pop-up that tells you, do you want to add anything extra to the cart? So then you can add that to your cart and boom. There we go. As soon as you check out, that gets delivered straight to your house. So that was print on demand with Guten. Really simple, really easy to set up. So let's go back to our Shopify and let's go to our other apps. Here is Printful. So this is another one that I can use, and I absolutely love just creating products that are already available. So this tells you what's trending right now. You can add your designs to the mugs. It's really, really cool. But if you don't want to add what's trending, you can then go to products, add a new product, and then here you can add so many different products. So in the winter, I might add a hat or add one of these, more t-shirts, accessories, mobile phone covers, socks, home living, collections. Let's go in collections. You've got gifts, baby gifts, beachwear, streetwear, eco-friendly stuff, sportswear, workwear, new products. I mean, the list is endless. And like I said, all you're doing is shooting the imagery that will go on these products. So for beachwear, they've all gone, and the actual products themselves are so lovely. So as you can see, these are all out of stock because they've all been in demand. But if I was going to, I would pick a swimwear and I would put some of my designs on. And yeah, you got to get in there early, guys. You got to get in there early. So if you want to go to workwear, you can pick something like this and then put your design on. So as you can see, that's really super simple. And they check everything before it goes out. You've got your products in there, customer details in there, analytics in there, marketing, how many people visit your store, sales, promotions, active promotions, plugins, all that kind of juicy stuff. Facebook ads, Messenger, so that is attached to your mobile phone. I actually haven't set that up yet. The themes, and this is what I really loved about Shopify. It made it so easy. So as you can see, it tells you what themes that I've tried out before, and these ones here are free. So you can go over to explore free themes. For some reason, I find saying free really weird. Free themes. And this is the one that I did currently have, and it was really easy. I just wanted to add more things to it because I love a bit of text. I'm like, add more things. But if you're just setting up, I mean, that would be really good. Brooklyn's great. Minimal's great. This is Express is great. If you just want to set up something, then go ahead and just get it up and running for free, and then get your stuff on there. And then I also had this one, and then you got Pacific. This is beautiful. So there's really no reasons that you shouldn't just give them a go and try them out. It tells you a demo, so you can actually have a look. It tells you what the theme, what's involved in the theme, what people didn't like and what people did like. But there is loads to choose from, but I went and paid for one because I wanted to do a little bit of my own designs on it. Now, to add extra coded behind the scenes, I use a guy from Fiverr. He's awesome, and you can check that out on my blog post, and the link is in there. And then you can add your own blog post to this, to your Shopify. You can have pages, navigate domains, preferences. And that's it, guys. It's really, really that simple to set up your shop with Shopify. I couldn't recommend it enough. So go and give it a free trial. And then if you have got your using print on demand, and get your artwork on there, get your images on those products, and then start creating your own. So I hope that was a little bit helpful. Please feel free to leave me any comments or questions, and I will happily create another video for you. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much for joining me here at Just Jerry J. If you would like to stay connected, please do subscribe to my channel or head over to my Facebook, or you can catch me on either of my Instagram channels, which is Jerry Jarme or at Just Jerry J. It'd be super, super nice to get to know you. But in the meantime, don't forget to sign up for my newsletter. I send it out like once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks, so don't worry, I won't bombard you. But if you'd like to keep up to date with juicy products that will be coming out, or tips and tricks about the photography creative industry and how to build your business, then please do get connected with me. It would be great to hear from you. I also do live chats on a Friday on Facebook, and I do tip of the week on a Wednesday on Instagram. So please do join me on one of those channels. And if you have any questions, or if you'd like any info on photography, any tech issues, or anything super, super creative, I'm always all ears. Then feel free to DM me, message me, connect with me.